2016 Mercedes Sprinter. As you can see, we've done the reversing camera just at the top. Come around to the front. We have changed the radio on the system as well. So as you can see, this is your Sony radio. Obviously the one we have installed is going to be your XAV-AX8150. So it gives you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB, Bluetooth radio, everything like that. Obviously your CarPlay and Android Auto will come through via a cable. Obviously we've also fitted the reverse, as you saw. If I go into reverse now, you will notice the rear view image is up there, and it returns back to normal here.